Hey guys, 4Season Bro. So today's video is just gonna be an instructional video how to remove a tire and to reinstall it, okay? So basically what I'll be doing is I'll be remove the summer one and putting on my winter one. You're gonna need your locking wheel nut if you have that one. If not, you'll just have your 6 regular lug nuts. So on my F-150 it takes a 21 deep socket, okay? Remove that. I had pre-loosened it because I didn't want to break it. And now you can take the other ones off, okay? Once you jack your truck up. So make sure you find a good spot for it. I put it right on the axle. Alright, so now that it's jacked up, I'm going to put my safety stand under. I'm going to put it right on the frame so that it falls on the frame. Nice and solid. You can remove your 5 other lug nuts. Alright, we'll see if the rim comes off. There you go. Now you've just removed your summer tire. Now we can reinstall our winter one. So now the next step we're gonna do is put the tire on the rotor. But I want to point out one thing. When you remove your tire, always mark them, okay? So last year when I removed my winter, I wrote right rear, so now I can reinstall it. Every year I rotate the tires. I put the rear one on the front and the front one on the back, okay? I applied my anti-seize already, as you can see, okay? Just on the points where it touches. Now I'm gonna put it on the truck. So just walk it. Whichever works for you. Alright, so one thing you're gonna have to remember, okay? So if you start with this bolt, you always want to do a star pattern, okay? So I'm gonna tighten this one first. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go to the right or left. Always opposite from the other one. And then I need my special locking key. Goes on there. And then you're gonna want to torque to spec every bolt. The same pattern on the star pattern, if you want to call it. So once you torque it to spec, remove your jacks. You can lower your rear jack as well. And if you want, you can lower it just a bit so it can touch so the tire doesn't spin when you're torquing it. And thanks for watching, guys. Go like and subscribe our channel.